a tool geek's wet dream. Hey, Adam here reviewing ToolMaster's SUPER119 Toolbox. In the few days that I've been using the Toolbox, you really get a feel for the high-end quality of the pieces. The Toolbox can fix anything, from iPhones to computers, gaming systems like an Xbox or PlayStation, even watches and home appliances. There's just such a wide variety of tools in here for so many applicable uses. And usually when that's the case, things tend to get very disorganized, but not here. I have to say that I really like how the Toolbox is designed, as it's designed to be well organized and easy to locate what you need in a glance. ToolMaster has done a great job with the design and functionality of their box, as they made sure each piece has a specific place so there's no more mess. Everything is magnetized, so the screws snap right in and hold. It has a flexible shaft, so there's no issues on bad angles. I'm very impressed with this Toolbox. It's on sale now, so check out their website linked below.